Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your account information on Klarna. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to update your account information on Klarna, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Klarna account. Now you can log into your Klarna account on the official website, or you can do that on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, just go to the account tab, and there you're going to click on edit account information. And now you can update your personal details. It could be changing the name or address or email address or whatever it is. Just update that, and once that's done, you want to review it and make sure that the updated info is accurate and without errors. And then once that's confirmed, just save the changes, and Klarna is going to settle the update. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your account information on Klarna. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.